let's also get in Vinay Rajani, this CMP Senior Technical and Derivative Analyst with HDFC Securities. Vinay, how are you looking at the markets at this juncture? It has been quite volatile. Yesterday we did see a strong recovery, but in the second half there was a sell-off also from the day's high. And again today we are at least at the positive territory. How are you looking at the benchmark indices?
Yeah, so definitely there was a healthy correction from the recent high of 24,800. Yesterday we saw an attempt of recovery. There was an indecision between bulls and bears, and ultimately Nifty ended with the doji candlestick pattern on the daily chart. And it also gives the impression that if yesterday's high is taken out again, so the yesterday's high was 23,870, and today in the intraday we have seen that the Nifty is trying to take that resistance. So 23,870 is a very strong resistance. And if that is taken out, then we can expect further pullback. And in that case, Nifty could move towards the 24,000. So yes, there has been a negative trend. Nifty is trading below the important moving averages. So the positional trend is down. But since yesterday, there is an attempt of recovery. And this recovery, this attempt will be confirmed in the recovery once the 23,870 level in the Nifty spot will be taken out. So right now, the bias is a bit on the bullish side because yesterday there was a short covering the Nifty and Bank Nifty, and FI's long to short ratio has reached to the oversold level. So a bit bias is a bit on the positive side. So what we are suggesting is that one should continue to hold on the long position, or one can even take the long position at current price in the Nifty with a stop loss of 23,650. And once the 23,870 is taken out, we can expect a target of 24,000 also. So yes, there is a breadth improvement in the market, and that's why I'm expecting market to recover from here. And the stop loss should be at 23,615 spot.
And how's the Nifty Bank looking like? Any key levels to watch out for?
So today is a Bank Nifty monthly expiry, and IVs are quite low. So Bank Nifty is not moving. In fact, Nifty is outperforming in today's trade because some of the oil and gas stocks and some IT stocks and auto stocks are moving up today. So Bank Nifty is likely to consolidate in today's trade because IVs are quite low, and then I'm not expecting any big move in today's trade. But yes, along with the market, if Nifty were to break out above the crucial resistance of 23,870, Bank Nifty will also join. But yes, for today, it is likely to consolidate. It is not expected that it will give a big movement. And resistance we see in the Bank Nifty is at 51,500. Once that is taken out, then we can expect a sharp short covering in that. But till then, one should take a wait and watch approach. And the existing long in the Bank Nifty should be protected with 51,000 in spot. So that should be stop loss in long position.
All right. Also, this is a truncated week, and all the overseas traders have gone on leave. So, is this that time that when DIIs are likely to dominate the market?
Yeah, so obviously every time it happens, yesterday also there was only a very thin volumes were there, bounce was there, but volumes were quite low. So activity from the FI side is low, but definitely the way they have been selling, that selling can remain low because of their absence in the market. So yes, small cap, mid caps can bounce back on the back of activity in the from the mutual funds and DIIs. So definitely we can expect a stock specific bullishness in the days to come. And in the history we have seen that last five trading session of the December month mostly remains positive. So I am talking about the 5 days percentage change. So it usually remains on the positive side. So probability of bouncing back and pullback in the mid cap, small cap because of the existence and active participation of mutual funds, we could see recovery in those pullback in those particular mid cap and small cap stocks.
All right. Also, tell us, in this, a rather somber market, what would be your picks? Where are you seeing values? What are the pockets of value? And what would be the counters that you are bullish on?
So as of now, I can see strength coming back to the FMCG sector. So FMCG, Nifty FMCG index is forming a multiple bottom formation on the daily chart. So it looks like that it is headed for the higher levels. Some pullback we can expect in that. So one of the stock which I like is the ITC. So ITC is the leader, and it is looking the strongest from the FMCG space. So if somebody wants to take a long position in trade, Then ITC can be bought around 478. Stop loss can be kept at 465 for the trading, and then one can expect a target of 500. So this is the first pick I would like to take. The another space which can outperform is the pharma space. So Lupin is looking very strong on the chart. It is holding above the key moving averages and has been resilient in the downfall of the market. So Lupin can be bought around 1830. Stop loss can be kept at 1795. On the higher side, we can expect a target of 1890. So healthcare and pharma, healthcare as well as the FMCG, these sectors are likely to outperform in the current scenario, and ITC and Lupin will be my preferred picks.
Thank you, Vinay, for joining us and giving us your perspective about the markets.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.